We'll start with a cube and scale it in the Z and Y directions. In edit mode, we'll subdivide the top and bottom faces, applying 3 cuts to each face. Next, we'll select the 4 corner faces on the bottom of the cube and extrude them. After that, we'll scale each extruded face down to 0.5 inches in each direction, before extruding all 4 again to create the legs of the chair. Selecting the 2 back faces on the top of the chair, we'll extrude them without moving them and set their scale to 0.5. Now we'll extrude them to create the main back supports. Selecting the inside faces of the supports, we'll subdivide them, creating 4 cuts. Selecting the middle face at the top of each support, we'll bridge them to create a horizontal strut. Then we'll do the same further down the chair back. After selecting 2 faces of each chair leg, we'll subdivide them and again create 4 cuts. Now all we need to do is perform bridging using the appropriate faces on each leg. Don't forget to resize the chair to real-world proportions and apply scale. Then rename the object and adjust the position of the chair's origin.